Welcome to my channel, At Home with Carla. This is where I share my almost daily life. Sometimes lately it's been about a one per week, but I like to share my family, friends, some DIY projects, and some cooking. So let's get started. And thanks for watching. More beautiful rain. So it was about 90 degrees, and then the storm went through. Now it cooled off a little bit, but it's still pretty humid out and warm. So I'm just gonna stay indoors and make a little something to eat. My husband went to get some blood work done before his cataract surgery, so just make a little something for us to eat when he gets back. This morning I'm going to make some Hidden Valley shredded hash browns with original ranch. I never had these before, but I'm gonna give them a try, and then make maybe an egg to go with it. As you've seen earlier, we got a lot of rain, and look at my chair. Oh my gosh, I guess I put it in the wrong spot. But anyway, while my hash browns are warming up on the stove, I'm going to vacuum with my better vacuum. This one's been downstairs, but yeah, it's my good Kirby. We paid quite a bit for this thing, so I can't give it up, and it does do an excellent job instead of my little one back there. Alright, so I got the rug done, burned all the boxes that needed to be done the other night. Not a paid advertisement, but I highly recommend the ranch hash browns. Excellent. More rain on the way. Grandkids stopped over for a little bit. My daughter and our grandson Austin here made 3 Kool-Aid stands this summer and sold 2 of them. And this one, I think it's from a desk, but he's going to use this as a Kool-Aid stand when he comes over to Grandma and Grandpa's.
I got a shelf. Got a shelf in it.
Yeah, nice.
And I'm gonna do something else. I'll shoot you down, Elijah. He's too fast. gotta catch. I got him. I got it. Get the fork. Get the fork.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm on my way back home. I was out at my daughter's, and I ran out to up about 30 miles away with my grandson. He had made 2 Kool-Aid stands and ended up selling them both. Call it pallets, and they took them apart and made Kool-Aid stands. So it's so cool. All right, so I'm waiting here for word from my daughter because I asked if she wants the kids to spend the night. They have an event to go to tomorrow. It's called Pork on Your Fork. So I'm feeling pretty good because I had my tooth pulled the other day after I bumped it, and so now we have to wait for it to heal. I can see it missing, and then I might have a partial put in there or some kind of post put up in there with a tooth or a cap or something. But I had it done yesterday in PT, and I felt like I was beat up 2 times. So anyway, I'm waiting for her to get back to me. Oh, looks like she did. So I just got word back that they're not going to be spending the night with us, but they're going to stay home tonight. And there's a car coming, so I have to get going. When I got home tonight, the storm clouds rolled on in with a lot of lightning, rain, and thunder.